how to make an audio spectrum in After Effects. Let's get into it. Right-click the blank space, choose New, Solid, set it to whatever colour you want. Next, come over to Effects and search for Audio Spectrum. Drag this effect onto the solid. Then in these settings, we need to set this to your audio track. Change end frequency to 1000, frequency bands to 150, maximum height to 1000, thickness to 5, and then change the colour to whatever colour you want. Finally, come down to side options, and here you can choose from A, B or A and B. At the moment, this is on A and B. If we change this to A, it will only show on one side. If we change it to B, it will show on the reverse. So let's set this to A, and when we play this back, we have an audio spectrum visualizer that matches our music, and that's all there is to it.